For this video, let's look at our next unit assignment. We're going to be creating pop art. And make sure you check your to-do list. You'll have an intro video, you'll have a discussion forum research, your practice project, then you'll complete your project, and then you will have a discussion forum critiques and your replies. This is the image that we're going to play with in our practice project, and the original will be available in the folder on Google Drive. So download it and open it up into Photoshop. Your discussion forum, watch this video. This guy's really good, and it's kind of neat to watch him do all of his artwork. Then next you're going to research and define pop art. Then I want you to research and define halftone theory. Then I want you to post a JPEG image with your research of a famous work of pop art and explain what the elements define it as pop art and what impression you think the artist was trying to achieve by using those elements. Type at least 200 words. Respond to 2 other students. Did you agree with their findings? Are there different additional elements in the piece that are or are not related to pop art? Type at least 100 words for each response. Then we have our practice project. This video will walk you step by step how to create the pop art. So download the image, follow the video, save your Photoshop file, and then save the image as a JPEG. You'll submit all of that on Google Drive in the unit folder. Then you will have your project. And for this project, you're going to be creating another pop art piece. You can take a photo, but if you do, you want it on a high contrast background like we had the lady that we did in the practice project. And but make sure that it's on a good contrast background. You can also take photos of simple toys or people, a banana, a baseball, anything like that will work. But again, make sure that the background is a high contrast background. And you want to make sure that this is large enough, all of it that you take. And you can search on the internet, and in previous unit I showed you how to search for images on the internet that are large enough for us to use for 300 resolution. So if you need a refresher, go back and watch that video. Your final image is going to be a 10 by 10 square at 300 resolution, and you're going to be graded on the quality and if you have the right size and the right resolution on your image. Save your final image as a JPEG, and then you're going to submit your original image, the JPEG, and your Photoshop file on Google Drive. Then record your presentation for the discussion forum critiques. Present your image from Photoshop. Tell us what techniques you used to create your final image. Talk about any problems that you might have had creating that image and how did you solve them. Then you're going to do your discussion forum critiques. You should already have your video loaded, and then you're going to respond to 2 other students. What do you think of the quality of their pop art? Did you learn anything different from their techniques when they created their image? All right, this is the Unit 3 introduction. If you have any questions or any problems with this assignment, please let me know before the due date, and I'll due date, and I will be glad to help you.